The finance functions built into NAV and Business Central are extremely powerful and well suited to garages with multiple centres. However, some business owners do not have the resource or knowledge, in particular the time, to perform their financial functions themselves, and therefore outsource them to external agencies. And for this reason, Grips has a function to export to Xero in order to make the integration between your business and the accountant as smooth as possible. The functionality allows you to export all your sales invoices and credit notes, and all your purchase invoices and credit notes, plus all your contacts. These are exported in the perfect format to be directly imported into Xero and processed by your accountant. Let's take a look at the functionality. From the home screen, click Finance and you will see there's a range of Xero exports. The first being Export Invoice and Credit Notes. These are your sales documents. If you click this, you will note the date and time of the last export you did is pre-populated. This stops you from exporting duplicates. However, this can be overridden at any time. In this demo, we will override this to ensure we get enough entries. Then you simply press OK. The export is done and transferred to a CSV file. Anybody familiar with Xero imports will notice that this is in the correct format for a direct import. It also maps the relevant VAT codes to the Xero VAT codes, and also it can be mapped to two different account codes in Xero, one for 20% VAT and one for zero VAT. This will be done during your consultation and set up by the Grips team. Now if we take a look at the purchase data that exports. Again, we go to Finance, and the purchase data is Export Bills and Credit Notes. Same rules in relation to population of date, but we will change these for the purpose of the demo. Click OK, and the export is generated immediately. Again, the format is very similar. There are two options in relation to the Xero account code mapping. There is one option for 20% VAT. There is also a separate option for Xero rated goods. Now if we look at the contact export. Again, back to the Finance menu and Contacts. We'll decrease the date range on this because it's likely to have a lot even in our test environment. Click OK. And the file is generated. As predicted, there are more than 500 lines, so it creates a zip file with multiple files included. If we open this zip file, we can see we've been creating a lot of contacts in the test system. But if we open the first one and review the content, again, this is in the perfect Xero format and will load straight into the system. Each contact name is unique, and all the data that you've entered into Grips is transferred across. Start again. Should you wish to use this service, please contact the Grips team and we'll be happy to do the configuration in association with your accountant.